Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Hollow Knight Silksong game. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So what you have to do, open Steam, go to library, then right click on Hollow Knight Silksong game. This is just an example. Then go to properties, go to controller tab. Now here select enable Steam input and then close it, and then you can launch Hollow Knight Silksong game and check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then repeat the process. Go to properties again, go to controller tab, and this time select disable Steam input instead, and then you can launch Hollow Knight Silksong game and check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then follow other fixes. The second fix is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This trick can help you to fix the problem sometimes. Then check if the controller is working or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripheral such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers, additional display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes your problem or not. Fourth solution is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you are using wireless controller, then check if it is paired correctly or not. If you are using wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the problem. Fifth solution is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative option. It could be possible that the game have some bug or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and play the game as of now. Sixth solution is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam and go to library, right click on Hollow Knight Silksong game and select properties. Then go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. Wait for the verification to get complete and then you can launch the game and check if the controller is working or not. Seventh solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So close the Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Hollow Knight Silksong game and then check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC. Run the launcher. If you are using Steam launcher, then run the Steam client as an admin and then check if it is working or not. Last solution is to update Windows. So click on Windows icon, then click on settings, then on the left click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available for your PC, then download and install them and then simply restart your PC once. And then you can launch Hollow Knight Silksong game and check if the controller or gamepad problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you will be able to fix controller or gamepad not working problem in Hollow Knight Silksong game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.